Welcome back to our Master JavaScript course. We will dive deep in the world of JavaScript and explore its powerful features. Today's video will be focusing on one of the essential concepts in JavaScript, condition. Specifically, we will look at the if-else statement. The if-else statement in action with a practical example. Imagine we want to check if the person is eligible to vote based on their age. In this example, we define the age variable and set it to 18. The if-else statement checks if the age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is, the message you are eligible to vote will be displayed. Otherwise, the message sorry you are not eligible to vote will be displayed. Another example, checking the current temperature. If it's above 30, then it will be hot, otherwise it can be not hot. And that's a wrap for today's video on the if-else statement in JavaScript. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting JavaScript tutorials. Don't forget to check our Master JavaScript course playlist. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.